Okay. This is the most dramatic, miraculous miracle of grace that I assure you will happen. God allowed that I had a fall. It's like Saint Paul. From a persecutor to the defender of the faith. How was he converted? He had a dramatic fall from the horse. When Jesus said, Saul, Saul, why do you persecute me? He became blind, at least for 3 days. And then was instructed to see Ananias and became the very passionate defender of the faith. Let me tell you that on this day, Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, his guide in the motto, everything is grace, and God's merciful love and mercy. Her guide is Saint Paul, to be all to all. I tell you, my fall, humanly speaking, something should happen to me. But I tell you, the miracle of grace. Because if I did not have that fall, that I know, humanly speaking, will affect my brain. But I tell you on this day, the Mother of Mercy, Mother of Interfaith Graces, will show to the world, and especially that sun, reminding me of the Fatima miracle in the dancing sun. These ancient ruins, Ephesus, these ruins will be restored, will be recovered, to recover the sacred foundations, sacred prophetic foundations of every civilization, especially the Filipino civilization. I tell you, I assure you, this is God.